Hey, in this video, we are talking about how to use Vid IQ. This is a Vid IQ tutorial. And if you are interested in trying it out, I'm going to put a link in the top of the comment section in a pinned post so you can do that. But let's go ahead and open the program now and see how it can help grow your YouTube channel. All right, so one of the first things that makes VidIQ such a great tool is when you're researching things. So if you're researching videos that you want to do, it can help you find the right keywords so that you know which videos to actually make. I have a separate farm channel. It's called Seven Sparrows Farm. And let's say I wanted to make a video on raising chickens. This is a term that I think people might be searching for. So I type this in here and I hit search, and this is what comes up. So over here, you're going to see, as far as the terms are concerned, this is a medium score on the search term. What that means is it's not super hard to rank for, but it's not super easy. And as you can see here, it's about to tip over into the more difficult areas. You can look over here. You can see backyard chickens. You can see chickens, how to raise chickens. This is the search volume for these keywords. And these are just basically search terms that people are looking for. Scrolling down here, you can see matching terms, how to raise backyard chickens, how to raise chickens in your backyard. Here are some more search volume numbers. So that way, if you're trying to find something that has a lot of search volume, you can look in here and see what makes the most sense. So you can see right here, raising chickens has 18,000 searches a month. So that might be a good one to try to rank for. But also you can see it's at a 50. So you have to kind of balance those out, see what makes the most sense. You can also down here see top trending videos on how to raise backyard chickens. So you can get some ideas of what other people are doing, what's working, what's successful. Another great tool here is if you click the related keywords section, you can see other related keywords that might make sense for what you're searching for. So backyard chickens, raising backyard chickens. And then when you look over here, you compare, you see the search volume per month. You can see the competition. So maybe you're looking for something that's a little easier to rank for. Beginner's Guide to Backyard Chickens, that's 2,000 searches a month, and it's a low competition keyword to search for. So maybe you want to make your video, the title of your video, Beginner's Guide to Backyard Chickens, and you have a good chance of ranking for that. You just need to kind of balance these out. You need to test some things, but that's one benefit of VidIQ, is just being able to look at these keywords and see what options you have. When you're researching your keywords, this is a great tool to use. So you're not just randomly typing things in that you hope people might be looking for. You can actually look and see what people are searching for, and with that intent, then you can go and actually make your videos so that they're lining up with what people are looking for. So you can scroll down here on the right, and again, you're going to have the volume, the competition, those things. It's going to tell you some of the highest views for these search terms, average views, average subscribers, what was added in the last 7 days, times in the title. It's also going to show you the top channels that you're kind of competing against and the ones who are ranking for this search term, and then top related opportunities that you have, but you can do something kind of similar. You're going to see these blue things right here, and this is VidIQ giving you some additional information. This video right here is getting 10 views per hour. This video is getting 66. This one's getting 93. So what it enables you to do is go, okay, this video right here is getting 96 views per hour. Let me see what they're doing, and maybe kind of copy that. I'm going to come over here, and I can look at their information, look at the information that these people actually have on their video and how they set things up. You can actually look at the video tags that they tagged their videos with. And if you wanted to copy those, and you could utilize those if you wanted to do that, you can save them here. Topics, you can see their channel tags. So you can really go through here and learn a lot by people who are doing well, and that can help you to improve your channel. One final thing I wanted to show you, they give you the option to do a channel audit. And what this does, this shows you how your channel is actually performing. You can see on here, they give you views month over month, if it's up or down, subscribers gained, watch time. They can show you videos that are performing well. Also, they show you some information over the past month. You see all these things in green are positives, and the ones in yellow or red are things that you need to fix. This one right here is videos not added to a playlist. So if you run this on your channel, you see, oh, there's a video that I forgot to add to a playlist. You can go back and fix that. So a lot of things you might not be catching, vidIQ will help you to find those, and then you can go fix them. Again, there's another spot on here where it will tell you the status. So you see these say great. This one pops up red and says there's no actual playlist. So you would need to go ahead and add this one to a playlist. And all these little things that it shows you helps to bump up your score, helps you to rank better, helps you to show up and appear better in YouTube searches so your videos can actually be found. Again, don't forget to click the link if you want to try out vidIQ. If you have any questions, put those in the comments section below, and I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. And again, thanks for watching.